everyone, myself Ajit Vijay Devle, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. So today I am start third unit in physical chemistry, that is chemical kinetics. So in this unit, I am first introduce what is mean by chemical kinetics and some terms related to chemical kinetics. So chemical kinetics contain two words, chemicals and kinetics. Chemical means chemical reaction and kinetics means moment. So in this concept, kinetics is used as a speed. Means we study here so speed of a chemical reaction. So by using three statements, we easy to define chemical kinetics. First statement is the rate of reaction. Second statement is a mechanism of the chemical reaction, and last statement is a factor influence of the chemical reaction. So we know about it. Chemical kinetics is a branch of physical chemistry. So chemical kinetics is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with the rate at which chemical reaction takes place, the mechanism by which the chemical reaction takes place, and also the influence of various factors such as temperature, pressure, concentration, etc. on the reaction takes place. So out of this, first concept is a rate of reaction. So on the basis of rate, chemical reactions are classified into three types. Very fast reaction. So all of the ionic reactions are present in a very fast reaction. Next type is a very slow reaction, means rusting type of reaction is present in a very slow reactions. For example, corrosions of iron. So it is examples of very slow reaction. And last one is a moderate reaction. Moderate reaction means the rate of reactions, or it is neither fast nor slow reaction. By using some catalyst, by using some energy, we form product of such type of a reaction. So in chemical kinetics, we study this type of reaction, means moderate type of reactions only. So how to define rate of reaction? So the change in the concentration of any reactant or any product per unit time is known as a rate of reaction. So this rate of reaction, it is represented by letter R. It is represented by letter R. Okay. So by using one example, so I am discussed how to find out the rate of reaction. Suppose we consider one example, A is converted to B. Here A is a reactant, and B is a product. So here we consider the concentration of reactant is C, concentration of reactant is C in first case, and concentration of product is X in a second case. So find out the rate of reaction with respect to reactant. Rate of reaction is equal to R is equal to minus delta C upon delta T. Delta means a change in concentration of reactant. So I mentioned concentration of reactant is C. Therefore, minus delta C upon delta T. Negative sign indicate A is converted to B. Therefore, A is consumed to form B. Therefore, the concentration of A is decreases with time. At the time, concentration of B is increases. Therefore, we use here negative sign. And in second case, the rate of reactions with respect to product is equal to R is equal to plus delta X upon delta T. Positive sign indicate the concentration of product increases at a time. So next point is the average rate. Average rate means what? The total change in concentration of reactant or product with time or per unit time. Okay. So average rate is equal to minus delta C upon delta T is equal to plus delta X upon delta T, means rate of reactant as well as rate of product is are equal. The next concept is a instantaneous rate of reaction. Instantaneous rate of reaction. In case of instantaneous rate of reaction, we consider small change in concentration of reactant per unit time. This small change indicate by letter small d. Therefore, the instantaneous rate of above reaction means what? A is converted to B is equal to minus dc upon dt is equal to plus dx upon dt. So, I am already discussed concentration of A is C and concentration of B is X. Okay. Then, so I am explain some examples related to it. So, first example is A is converted into B. Therefore, the rate of reactions, rate of above reactions is equal to minus small change of concentration, small change in concentration of A. So, concentration, this square bracket indicate concentration, concentration of A, square bracket indicate concentration. Concentration of A upon dt is equal to plus d concentration of B upon dt. Suppose we consider second example. In second example, two reactants are present and two product is formed. The rate is equal to minus d concentration of A upon dt minus d concentration of B upon dt is equal to d concentration of C upon dt is equal to d concentration of D upon dt, because here we use two reactant as well as two product. Next example, and it is very important examples related to the rate of reaction. Suppose we use number of mole of A, means A, small a mole of capital A, small b mole of capital B, to give C mole of C and D mole of D. Okay. So, how to write down the rate of such type of reaction? So, rate is equal to remaining terms is similar, only we use this A, only we write this A is a reciprocal, in a reciprocal. Okay, means minus 1 upon A d concentration of A upon dt is equal to minus 1 upon B, minus 1 upon B. B means what? Number of mole of B is equal to d concentration of B upon dt is equal to 1 upon C d concentration of C dt is equal to 1 upon D d concentration of D upon dt. Last example, 2 mole of A plus 3 mole of B to give 2 mole of C plus 3 mole of D. So, write down rate of this reaction. It is a similar to previous example. I hope we all understood this part. Thank you.